Hello friends, this is the topic groups of the subject mathematics. Today we are going to discuss a law of composition is a function of two variables or a map. Let S be any set, let A and B be any two elements of set S, then the presentation of A and B in the bracket is called an order pair. Let S is having elements minus 1, 0 and 1. Then minus 1 comma 0, 0 comma 0, 1 comma 0 are the order pairs. Let S be any set, then S cross S is called the product set. Then S cross S is defined as the set of all order pairs A and B such that A and B belong to the set S. Let S be the set of all elements minus 1, 0 and 1. Then the product set S cross S is obtained by minus 1, 0, 1 and cross product with minus 1, 0 and 1. Then we get order pairs minus 1, comma minus 1, minus 1, comma 0, minus 1, comma 1, 0, comma minus 1, 0, comma 0, 0, comma 1, 1, comma minus 1, 1, comma 0, 1, comma 1. Now we will see a definition of a function. A function from set A to set B is a rule by which we can associate with every element of a unique element of B. So a function f from set A to B is denoted by f from A to B. Let us, we are having sets A and B as A is having elements A, B, C, B is having elements 1, 2, 3. Under the function f, suppose A is associated with element 1, element B is associated with element 1, element C is associated with element 3. Here, every element of A is associated with one and only one element of a B. That is, A is a mapping with one and only one element, that is 1. B is having one and only one image, that is 1 in a B, and C is having one and only one image, that is 3 in a B. F is a function from set A to set B. If element X of A is associated with element Y of B, then it is denoted by F from X to Y, or Y is equal to F of X. Let S be having elements 0 and 1, then the product set S cross S is obtained from the cross product of 0, 1 and the set 0, 1. So we get the set of order pairs 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Let us consider law of composition as a multiplication. So applying multiplication on the order pair 0, 0, we get 0. 0 into 1, we get 0, which is again an element of S. 1, 0, it gives 0 after multiplication. 1, 1. So 1 into 1 is 1, which is again an element of S. So here the law of composition is the multiplication. A and B are the elements from the set S, which gives the element P, which is again an element of S. This order pair A and B belong to the set S cross S, and it gives a unique element P in a set S. So law of composition is a function from the set S cross S to S. Hence, a law of composition is a function of two variables or a map. It is a function from the product set S cross S to S. The order pairs A and B belong to the set S cross S, and this order pair having the two variables A and B, and therefore law of composition is a function of two variables or a map. Law of composition, if applied on A and B, then AB is the notation for that. Here A into B is the notation for which multiplication is the law of composition. Here A dot B is the notation for dot as the law of composition. Here A plus B is the notation as addition is the law of composition on the set S. This element P can be replaced by AB, A into B, A dot B, or A plus B. The element P may be called the product or the sum of A and B depending on the notation chosen. For more details about these topic groups, you can read a book, Algebra by Michael Arkin. Thank you, and subscribe and press bell icon to receive notifications of my videos.